You are absolutely going to love this video. This car is a feast for the eyes. Oh my God, is she beautiful. 1930 Ford, running all Henry Ford steel. Oh, she is gorgeous. This is a Ford running a Ford. You heard me right. Yes, it is done right. It is a 1965 289 that is fully built. We're talking the dual fours, cam, aftermarket heads. It is mated to a small case C6 automatic transmission. Now listen, it's going into a MOPAR 8 3/4 with a 741 carrier. It will take a pounding. You don't have to worry about it. Enjoy the car, get on it. It's going to hold up to you. And to keep you going straight, a 4-bar system with the coilover shocks. You can adjust your own height and the ride that you want with the car. How about a Ford's I-beam front end? It doesn't get any more solid than that. It'll take whatever you want to throw at it. Even has the disc brakes. You are in there. Look at the Hairpin Radius Rods. It has the classic look with modern performance. This is the car for you. Now, this is a pro build. Let's hit the brakes. I use that word. What does that mean? Let's say what it is not. It is not an individual working in his home garage building you a hot rod. He may be very talented, but it's not a pro build. A pro build means a team of technicians focused on one goal, to bring you the very best that they can do. This is it. The whole build is planned before a single bolt goes into the build. Bam. That means your product is much higher. Means this car is going to last you forever. They've already worked out all the bugs. They know exactly where they're going on the build. That is what I am bringing you today. Now, we're going to do a full video. We'll show the car running. We'll do all the instruments. Anything the car needs, it's already done. It's tuned in. It's ready to go. This entire build, are you listening? 68 miles. When I say new build, it's 68 miles. There you go. It is ready for you. No one has seen it. It hasn't been shown. You'll be the first one at the car show to show off this beautiful car. Is your heart pounding? Can you just feel it? It is this car. It is doing it to you. You are in love. Nothing like Americana all the way. This is the beginning of American hot rodding, or in cars built like this. Open wheel, the staggered wheel set, the built open engine. It is there. Now, if you have a collection of cars, you have all the hot rods and classics, and you do not have a 1930 in your collection is not complete. You gotta have one of these cars. It talks all day long to you. People see it, they'll flock to it. It's just at that level.